Hello everybody, welcome back once again to Big Gas Studios. Guys, I'm already smiling. Charlie, it's been a long time I posted on this channel, and man was engaged with some other stuffs. Okay, I plead you guys would forgive me. I'm back for good, and I'll be uploading content for you people. Now let's just get straight into what we have for today. Today's lesson is about substitution and some advancement in music. Okay, I remember I've done a couple of content about this particular lesson we'll be having today. Now, before I proceed, music is dynamic and there's been a lot of advancement. Okay, people are advancing. Actually, people are advancing music. It's just that is the dynamic nature of music. All right, it's not anything new. It's just some dynamics. Okay, now in this particular video I'll show you some approaches so far as progression on music is concerned. Now let's just get straight into it. I want to show you something new today. Let's take this song. Adiachana Pay. Now let's do it on the key of D. So D. Okay, we are doing on the key of D. So Adiachana Pay. Now if you notice, there are some songs that starts with the sixth chord. I mean your La. Okay, most of our Ghanaian worship songs and praise start with the sixth chord, which is the La. Now this is what I'm going to teach you. So when a song starts with like this song, Adiachana Pay, something like that. Sorry for the lyrics though. Now Adiachin, that is your sit. Okay, Adiachana Pay, your fifth and your three. So it goes like this. Adiachana Pay, 6, then go to your 3, Tiasia, 4, then okay, that is 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can do that or you can do this as well. Adiachi. I've told you we can substitute our soul with our T. Okay, that's our 5 with our 7. I've done lesson on that already. That's a substitution. So we can do so or T. And I also said we can do mi or do. That is your 3 or your 1. So when you go to your set, okay, when you go to your set, you can go to your 5 and your 3. That will give you a very perfect combination. So Adiachana Pay, okay, so your 6, your 5, your 3 is giving you a perfect combination there. Adiachana Pay, okay, or you can play your 7 over your soul. Okay, but when you choose to play your 7, then you are open to different choices. So Adiachana Pay. Okay, so when you play your 7, you are open to 2 choices. I've told you earlier that you can play your do over your mi. So your first choice is playing do. Okay, and then your second choice is playing to. So when you play T, you can go to your left or to your right. So you can play do or you can play to. That means we can substitute our 3 with either 1 or 2, with either do or to. Let's try it. Adiachana Pay, Samida Sume, okay, so that was the do. Adiachana Pay, Samida Sume. So that is the other option. So when you play your sit and you don't want to go this part, which is your 5, you can go to your T. When you go to your T, you have 2 options, either to go to your do or to your to. When you choose your do, you are right. When you choose to, you are right. So going from sit to T, you choose either to, do to give you that perfect combination. But when you want to take this part, sit, so you go to your mi to give you that perfect combination. So let's try the to and see. Okay, to your then to your 4. Let's try it again. Then go to your 4. Okay, so that was the 3 options, okay, or the 3 approaches. So now the first, you go to your 6, you go to your 5, then you go to your 3, or you go to your 6, you go to your 7, and you choose between your 1 and your flat 7. Okay, so let's try another song. Yeah, one man be war. So we can do yeah, one man be war. Jesus. Okay, that was the first approach. Now, yeah, one man be war. See, let's go to do first. So that was it. That was for the do. Now let's do the to. So yeah, be war. So what have we learned today? We've learned that we can do T instead of so, we can do do instead of me, and we can do to also instead of me. But how to combine these notes to give a perfect melody or a perfect sound is what we learned today. Now, when you are doing sit 5, you have to do 3. Like, for instance, yeah, then you choose to go to 5 instead of your 7, which is your T. When you play your 5, you have to play the 3 to give you that perfect combination. Yeah, be that is me, the same thing. Yeah, be or when you choose your 7, yeah, be you're open to 2 choices, like I said, your do or your to. Yeah, be okay, guys, try it. It's very nice. Okay, you are going to love it. Thank you guys for watching. Mind you, I'm back. I'll be posting more content. Don't forget to come back always to watch. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel, like and share the video as well. Thank you.